Hello everyone and welcome back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how some sounds change when they occur next to other sounds. So here we have 6 examples. The first one is that the T sound changed into P sound. For example, I hate potatoes becomes I hate potatoes. Again, I hate potatoes. Another example is football. Football becomes football. Again, football. Number 2. When we have T sound plus Y sound, the result is Ch sound. For example, nice to meet you. Again, nice to meet you. We say nice to meet you. Again, nice to meet you. Number 3. The D sound becomes B sound. For example, good morning. Again, good morning becomes good morning. Again, good morning. Number 4. The D sound changed to G sound. For example, she's a good girl. She's a good girl becomes she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Number 5. When we have D plus Y, the result is a J sound. For example, would you like some tea? Becomes would you like some tea? Again, would you like some tea? Number 6. The N sound becomes me. For example, I can buy this car. Again, I can buy this car becomes I can buy this car. Again, I can buy this car. And the last one, green park. Green park becomes green park. Green park. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.